How to recover permanently deleted Instagram account. First thing you have to do is head over to your web browser and then simply search for deleted Instagram account recovery. As you can see here, you may be able to recover it within 30 days by simply logging in back with your username and password. And if the 30-day period has passed, your account and all associated with contents are permanently deleted and cannot be restored. So click on the first link that you see here on help.instagram.com. Here on the disabled account option, what you're going to have to do is click on this article and then click on no. So click on other, and here what you're going to have to tell them is that I want to recover my deleted Instagram account. So you could write something like this, give your account details like your username, and then simply give out your detail. Then if there is any email connected to your account, you could provide the email as well. Now once you've done that, tap on the submit option. Instagram's help and support team will get this request and they will contact you on your email that's connected to your account to recover it. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful and I'll see you on the next one.